Subject English 10th standard. Topic is 3.2, a lesson in life from a beggar. Question number A का 1. Complete the following table. Utterance who said to whom. तो यहाँ पर सेंटेंसेस दिए गए हैं, किसने किससे कहा और क्यों कहा, हमें बताना है किसने किससे कहा. तो यहाँ सबसे पहले सेंटेंस देखो. श्वेता इज़ अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल इजंट शी. तो हु सेड, किसने कहा ये. द राइटर ने कहा. किसको कहा. मीना को कहा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. व्हेन अ पॉनी इज यंग ही लुक्स हैंडसम. तो ये किसने कहा. मीना ने कहा. द राइटर को कहा. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल डे. द राइटर किससे कहा. मीना से कहा राइटर ने. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. नो द सन इज टू हॉट. मीना ने कहा. द राइटर को कहा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. आई एम ऑल एक्साइटेड. इट्स नाइस टू मीट ओल्ड फ्रेंड्स. मीना ने कहा. द राइटर को कहा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. State whether the following statement are right or wrong. Correct the wrong ones. The author and Meena were great enemies. इसका आंसर है wrong. Corrected sentence. The were good friends. Question number 2. Meena was a very cheerful person in Delhi. Answer is wrong. इसका करेक्ट सेंटेंस है. Meena was forever unhappy. Question number 3. Meena stay alone in an apartment in Delhi. Answer is wrong. करेक्ट सेंटेंस. इसका आंसर है सही. करेक्ट सेंटेंस. She stayed alone in an apartment in Mumbai. वो दिल्ली में नहीं थी, मुंबई में थी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. मीना was the second child of her parents. Wrong. Correct answer. She was the only child of her parents. Question number 5. The author spotted Meena at Bombay's Flora Fountain. Answer is right. Rakesh's father is a school teacher. Answer is right. Question number 7. The writer was transferred to Bombay. Answer wrong. Correct sentence है इसका. The writer was in Bombay on an official work. Question number 8. Meena is always pessimistic. Answer is right. Question number 9. Meena had the habit of complaining about anything and everything. Answer is right. Question number 2. What was Meena's nature like? Answer. There was always something strange about Meena. She always unhappy. Any person who came in contact with her would feel depressed. Her thoughts were negative about everything and about every person. Question number 3. Find antonyms of the following words from passage. Optimistic, new, dazzle, ugly. इसका आंसर है ऑप्टिमिस्टिक का प्रिस्मिस्टिक, न्यू का है ओल्ड अपोजिट वर्ड्स, और ड्रिजल का है पोरिंग, अगली का है ब्यूटीफुल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. ए का 4 देखो. चेंज द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस टू इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. मीना इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल डे. आई सेड. इसका आंसर होगा आई टोल्ड मीना दैट इट वॉज अ ब्यूटीफुल डे. Question number 2. Hey, I am really excited. It's nice to meet old friends. What are you doing here? Meena said to the writer. Answer. Meena exclaimed with excitement, joy, that it was nice to meet old friends. She further asked the writer what she was doing there. Question number 2. Make the following sentence negative. She was forever unhappy. इसका आंसर होगा she was never happy. Question number 2. Meena was a pessimistic girl. Answer. Meena was not an optimistic girl. Question number 5. Would you avoid your friends if you are meeting him her after a long time? Answer. Welcoming or avoiding our old friends totally depends upon how close you are with that person. If you are really close to some friend by heart and soul, you will never avoid him her even if you are meeting him her after a long time. Whereas we always wait for such occasions to meet our old buddies. Question number 2. What is meant by Meena never had anything positive to say? Answer. Meena was always pessimistic in her life. Whoever said or asked anything, her answer was always negative. She never thought positively. It was her habit to take everything negatively. So the writer said Meena never had anything positive to say.